welcome to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani dishes, and today I have come up with Avallo puddighanaenae or gooseberry dry pickle. As I have already told while preparing mango dry pickle or amba puddighanaenae, that you have to these dry pickle, they stay for a longer time, so you have to use dry spoons when serving. Then use sun-dried bottles for storing, sun-dried mixer for preparation of the dry roasted powder. So in this recipe, the avallo or the gooseberry is first cooked either in a steamer or boiled in water and then de-seeded and roasted. The rest of the procedure is the same as that for preparation of mango dry pickle. The ingredients: you need 12 gooseberries, 1 tablespoon gingerly oil. For the preparation of dry roasted powder, I have used 10 red chilies, 1.5 tablespoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon fenugreek seeds, 5 teaspoon asafoetida, 10 teaspoon of salt. Salt has to be tawa dried before adding because salt also has got moisture in it. Choose fresh scar-free gooseberries, wash them with water and wrap them in a clean cloth for drying. Transfer the gooseberries to a steamer and then cook it for 5 to 10 minutes. Alternatively, you can boil them in water until they are cooked. Once cooked, remove from the steamer and let them cool. Then cut the berries as shown in the photograph and discard the seeds and keep it aside. Coming to the preparation of the dry roasted powder, you need mustard, dry red chilies and methi seeds. First, dry roast the mustard, fenugreek and red chilies separately. Add dry roasted ingredients in a mixer, grind and blend to a fine powder. Now add the tawa roasted salt and asafoetida into the powder in the mixture and give one turn of your mixture. This is for uniform mixing of the salt and asafoetida. This is called dry roasted powder. Now salt the berries in 1 tablespoon gingerly oil for a few minutes to remove the moisture. Salt them until they are golden brown in color. Now switch off the flame and then add the dry roasted powder to the gooseberries and mix thoroughly till all the pieces of gooseberry is uniformly coated with the powder. Later, transfer these gooseberries. Once they are cooled down, you can transfer them to a sun-dried bottle for longer storage. Your avallo puddighanaenae is ready to be served. You can serve it after 15 to 20 days. For watching my channel, please do like, share and subscribe. In this channel, I will be telling you how to prepare Kerala style GSB Konkani recipes or dishes. So thank you for watching my channel. Please keep watching my channel regularly.